Embarking on a journey to Lisbon was a dream turned into reality. The city's vibrant streets, adorned with colorful tiles, told stories of its rich history. From the majestic Belém Tower to the captivating Jerónimos Monastery, every step was a step into the past. Lisbon's hills provided breathtaking panoramic views, making every uphill climb worth it. The enchanting Alfama district echoed with the sounds of fado music, connecting me to the soul of Portugal. Wandering through the bustling markets, I sampled local delicacies that ignited my taste buds with flavors unique to this coastal haven. The warmth of the locals, their genuine smiles, and their pride in their culture left an indelible mark on my heart. As the sun dipped below the Tagus River, I found myself in awe of Lisbon's beauty. This trip wasn't just about exploring a city, it was about immersing myself in its soul and creating memories that will last a lifetime.